Ah, crap. Wrong way. Hey, welcome Ken's Corner. Hey, we've got something exciting today. No racing, sorry. If you expect a racing video, that's not going to happen on this video. No racing this weekend, but we are getting ready for next weekend. And basically we have a 2-day race weekend coming up, so we're working on this guy right here today, okay? We got to get the tanks flushed out of it and all that good stuff, and just get it all prepped, ready to work for 2 days up there for us. So anyway, if you don't know, I actually have a restroom in here. I actually got a bathroom and all that good stuff set up. So that's what we're going to get prepped, get the water tanks all set up and flushed out. So that's what we're going to be working on next. Okay, like I said, this trailer, when we got it, we actually put a toilet outfit and we actually got a sink here. Okay, back here we actually do have a toilet. Sorry about the mess. We actually got a shower and all that good stuff back here. So water heater we actually got down underneath here. Inverters and all that stuff sits back here. So I don't know if you can see it back there, but the hot water tank's right back there. So anyway, we're gonna get all this stuff cleaned up, make sure everything's functionally good, so when we go up to the race this coming week, everything works. So anyway, let's get to it. Okay, got it all hooked up. Let's go ahead and get it pulled on out. Almost messed up. Okay, that's all out there. Now we need to get water over to it, start flushing the tanks out. Pop's just got home, so he'll help me here in just a few minutes. So, but anyway, at least it's outside. Probably go ahead and wipe it down. It's a little dusty on that side as well. So, let's get started. Pop's made it. Hey, I told my guys we're not racing this weekend, so we're going to show them how we flush water out of the tanks. It's a really difficult process. First, you get an old person to help you out.
Thanks. Get laid up for about 6 weeks. You're going to be had to talk like that.
Okay, all we're going to do is add some water to tanks, get water flowing through the system, and we're going to flush it out. So it's kind of boring stuff, but it has to be done. Let's knock it backwards. That'll work. That'll look good in for what we have in the truck. We have our solar panel on the top of the roof. I don't know if you can see this or not. It's showing 5.7 amps right now. That's what it's making. Well, one good reason is because it's nice and sunny out here. So, yeah, solar panel way up there, as you can see it. So, basically we can charge the batteries while we're going down the road. So, what else to help us power the refrigerator as well. So when we go on these really long trips out of town, this thing gets plugged into our inverter. If it's a nice sunny day like it is, hey, things stay charged up. Plus we have dual batteries up on the front of the trailer. So we run 2 deep cycle batteries in the front. So anyway, and that's where our generator's at right now. This is actually running. So it's an inverter, pretty quiet. So okay, let's continue to get this trailer prepped, ready to go for this upcoming race weekend. Okay, we had to do some maintenance on the car. I put the one races up there. I had my door, the nylon door handle came off, and it was because it was just too small of a washer. It just popped around it, so I stuck a bigger washer on it. So it's good and tight now. Just little maintenance things like that we just got to take care of. So we'll just get it all cleaned up and get ready to go racing. So it's all ready to go. So anyway, continue to clean up the trailer and get the car cleaned up for this upcoming race. So
Almost running out of water.
okay. Ah, crap, wrong way. Well, yeah, it's clean.
That's a good sign.
Well, that was cool. Now it's all wet here. Also give you an update, we did get the motor replaced. This thing spins about another 500 RPM quicker than the other one. Gotta give a good shout out for my good friend Curtis Reed, getting me set up with this pump. Here, I'll go turn it on and I'll show you how fast this thing actually turns. It's impressive. Yeah, that thing's spinning pretty quick to me. Last time you could actually see the cogs, and this one you can't see it, so I know the thing's spinning pretty quick. So, good deal. Yeah, take the water out of the... Okay, it's all polished up now. Took all the dust off the side. Looks a lot better, I think. Shiny. Okay, time to get the car back in the trailer. All done cleaning up, time to get it back in its stall. Okay, here we go. over.
I'm gonna go mow.
Don't go mow my lawn. Okay. Well, guys, that's all I had today. Just got to clean things up, get ready for this race weekend coming up. Pops, he's gonna go mow. It works for him. Me, on the other hand, wife told me I need to kill some weeds. Front lawn looks really good. We can actually get that treated. The back of the lawn, not as much. So I bought some weed killer. Hope it's not grass killer. Anyway, I don't know. Kind of a slow Sunday day here. But anyway, we'll be back at it next weekend to go ahead and get some good footage at it's a 2-day race weekend, so I'll be making a video for each day. So with that, if you do like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that little dingy baller up there that alerts you when we got a new video posted. Remember, I post videos every Sunday at 10 a.m. So with that, I'm out of here.